Tell you, Dollar Tree is definitely out here coming for your coins. So first up, they have the Hollow Hydration, Hydrating, and Pump and Lip Mask. Oh, this one you get 5 for $1.25. Tell me that's not a steal deal like Holyfield. Then they also have this Keep Smiling, Embrace Your Face, Lavender, and Soothing Lip Mask. 5 for $1.25. Honey, it gets better. It gets better than that. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is these Optimax purple whitening strips. Okay, conceals yellow stains, 30-minute treatments, easy to use. 6 strips, 2 free strips, 3 treatments for $1.25. My loves, Dollar Tree definitely stepped their game out when it comes to the home decor items. So cute. Check this out. Now, if you guys are looking for some type of wall decor, Dollar Tree definitely has it. These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the white, the gray, and also the black. Really, really cool. They also have this motivation sign that says, choose to be kind, just keep on going. These are $1.25. Oh, look at these. These are cute. So Dollar Tree has these signs. This says love. This is so cute. I absolutely love gold. I'm a gold girl. They also have this black sign as well. This is given, and these are LED love stack decors. This is so cute. Or new at Dollar Tree. Listen, have you guys seen this? This is the Lotus tea light candle holder. These are so cute. I just see this like floating on the water, okay, like in the tub or so. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, they come in different colors. They also have the gray. Absolutely love this. They also have the white. Really cool. And these are $1.25. Now, my loves, recently Dollar Tree had brought these back, the Beauty Intuition eyeshadow palette, Smoky Browns. Now, this is $1.25, movie groovy. They also have the Pretty Pinks, okay? This is $1.25. And if you like, Dina, I don't care for no darn brown nor pink. Honey, if your dang is purple, Dollar Tree definitely has it. It's the Purple Dreams, $1.20. Another amazing item that Dollar Tree has is the Eco Tools Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Mini Rose Quartz Roller. Honey, they just out here showing out. This is $1.25. They also have this pedicure set made with natural, recycled, and other materials. You get 4 pieces for $1.25. Another amazing item that Dollar Tree had, Onyx Professional with the hard bristles. This is for spotless nail cleaning in the palm of your hand. They come in 2 different colors. They have the blue and also the pink. Honey, I absolutely love this. Where you going to get something from Onyx for $1.25? Nowhere. Another item that I absolutely love is this Glow It Gradual Glow Body Lotion. When I tell you, you gonna be glistening, shining like a diamond, honey, it's definitely this. Normally, this goes for $14.99. Dollar Tree has it for $1.25. They also have this one as well. Now, I have not tried this one. This is the Smooth and Refined Body Polish Hair Growth Minimizer, and this is $1.25. What really got me, honey, definitely was the packaging. Now, Dollar Tree still have a few of these left. The Onyx Bath House Recovery. You get 4-pack of bath bombs for $1.25. Now, one is naturally relieve stress of your life. So, honey, you stressed out pulling your hair out. Hopefully, you ain't pulling your darn hair out, child, because that ain't going to be beneficial for no one. They also have the PMS. Naturally helps relieve pain and other PMS symptoms. One is lemongrass, and then the other one eucalyptus. The PMS is eucalyptus, $1.25. If you guys are looking for some socks, now I must say these are kind of thin. But if you just need a whole bunch of socks, honey, they have the Ellie like the Ellie bags, $5, you get 10 pairs. Now, they also have these Reese's. Now, these are more so on a thicker side. That other one, honey, ain't finna capture no darn sweat. You want the thick socks so it could capture the sweat. These are $5 for 6 pairs. They also have the K-Swiss socks, 5 pairs for $5. And then they also have the Blow Pop socks, Sugar Babies, Junior Mints. Those are $5. Those are so on the thicker side as well. Oh, I had these. These are $1.25. My youngest daughter, so what she do is if she sees some socks, especially like during school time and laundry is on the sofa, like after I washed it, and if my socks is on there, I say, Amani, just grab some socks. And she'll definitely grab my socks. Honey, I don't even know where these socks are, but these are so cute. I absolutely like these. The Teddy Grahams, these are $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree has these photo albums. These are $1.25. These are really cute. 4x6. If you guys are looking for some string lights, Dollar Tree definitely has them. This is cute, especially for the children's room. They have like the planets, the stars. They also have like these rainbows. They also have these little balls over here. This is cute. 6 count. Absolutely love this. They also have the bumblebees. Really nice 10 count. Now, Dollar Tree also have the LED 2-pillar candles. These are $3. My fave is definitely the yellow. Absolutely love it. And they also have the largest size. That is $5. If you guys are looking for the set of 3 LED pillar candles, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They come in orange and also in white. I thought this book was really cute. Curly Kids, the Handbook, covering all kinds of curls, babies through teens, how to care for your child's glorious hair. Let's see. Oh, this is good. The best way to comb curls. On dry hair, you can use an old school hair pick, but only to very gently give the roots some. Products, what to know. Now, Dollar Tree also have these gorgeous LED hanging remote taper candles. They come in different colors. They have the spiders, black and white. They also have this one, oh, with the little king. This is $1.25. They also have the all black ones. Those are cute. These are 4 pieces for $5. If you guys are looking for Halloween decor, for decor, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. All right, so they have these tinsel wreaths. These are $6 with the little spiders. They also have the wood Lazy Susan. These are $6 as well. They also have these metal pumpkin stakes. These are $7. And then decorative pillows. These are $6. Now, I know you probably can't really make out of it, all right? Because they got this scarecrow right in the middle. Now, Dollar Tree have these pom-poms, these stems. These are $5, 48-inch. I absolutely love these. They come in different colors. The green is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. They had the red. The red was all fairs. Now, when it comes to the 60-inch scarecrow stakes, these are $6. Look at him. Honey, where they going with their outfits on? Really cool. Absolutely love this. Okay, some more Halloween items. These are $1.50. These LED pillar candles. These are cute. I like these. Child. LED projectors. These are $1.50. The black UV lights. These are $1.50 as well. They also have these bulbs over here. These mini string lights. These are $1.50. 20 mini decorative string lights. These are $1.50. They also have the light and sound decor. Look at this with the pumpkins. I remember these last year. They also have some more LED shadow projectors over here. Giving $1.50. All right, family, let me know in the comment section what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was those lip masks. I mean, Dollar Tree is just showing out for you and me, okay? They movie groovy. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves. Keep going, keep growing. Until next time. Peace.